So hello guys, hope you're being fine and hope you're being safe ये quarantine situation में. Yeah. So my name is Ashwin Chettiar and I am from Behind the Billions page. And आज हम एक interaction करने वाले हैं with Mr. राजोशी बिस्वास. इफ़ यू नो लर्न मॉल ऐप एक है, अगर उसके बारे में आपको पता है तो ऑलरेडी आपको पता रहेगा मैं क्या बात करने वाला हूँ. सो लर्न मॉल एक बेसिकली इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट ई लर्निंग मार्केट प्लेस है एंड मिस्टर राजोशी बिस्वास वहाँ के CTO एंड को फाउंडर है. सो इसमें आपको बहुत सारे वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्सेज देखने को मिल जाएंगे, जैसे कि रेडियो जॉकी का, फाइनेंशियल से, मार्केटिंग से लेके काफ़ी कुछ. तो आज हम मिस्टर राजोशी बिस्वास से बात करने वाले, इंटरेक्ट करेंगे उन और बात करके देखेंगे कि उन्हें ये आइडिया कैसे आया. सो अगर आपको नॉलेज, आइडियाज़ एंड एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए तो ज़रूर स्टे ट्यून रहिए एंड वील फाइंड आउट कि व्हाट इज़ बिहाइंड दिस बिलियनर्स माइंडसेट. सो लेट्स ऐड दिस पर्सन. Just a second, just taking some time to get him on the line. Yeah, we got him on the line. Yeah, great. थोड़ा वेट करते हैं एंड he'll be on the line with us. Hello, Mr. Biswas. How are you? Yeah. Am I audible to you? Okay, okay. Good afternoon. And how is the quarantine going on? Actually, I am not. Okay, I'm not able to hear you. No, no, you're not audible clearly. Can't hear you properly. I guess there's some connecting issues. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. हाँ, अब मैं I can clearly hear you right now. Yeah, no, still आपका आवाज बहुत लो आ रहा है. So, yeah. सब connecting issues रहेगा. You wait for some time. Let's see.
Just give me 2 minutes, okay? Let me see if I can replace my
Yeah.
headsets.
Okay, now right now I can hear you. अभी थोड़ा audible I can.
Okay, you can hear me.
Yeah, yeah. Right now I can hear you clearly.
That's great. So, just give me one moment, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. May I have your name? Actually, I do not have your name.
My name is Ashwin Chettiar.
Okay, okay, great. So, yes, tell me, what questions can I answer for you?
Yeah, sure, sure. The first of all, so how are you and how are the situation in Bangalore?
So, I would say the situation in Bangalore is, if you look at the news, right, काफी बेहतर है दूसरे शहरों से. Like
Oh,
Bangalore में
that's
अभी
great.
रेड ग्रीन हटा दिए and सिर्फ देयर आर कंटेनमेंट जोन्स हैं जहाँ पे लॉकडाउन
Okay,
एनफोर्स
okay,
किया गया है। बाकी अगर आप देखें तो इट्स मोर और लेस इट्स अ गुड सिचुएशन लाइक कंपेयर्ड टू अदर स्टेट्स, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। ऑब्वियसली सिचुएशन अभी भी इट्स वेरी डेंजरस ग्रेव है, बट कंपेयर्ड टू
yeah,
अदर
exactly.
स्टेट्स आई बिलीव क्वाइट वेल।
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Because actually, Maharashtra में it is not that good, but people are still recovering and government try कर रहा है थोड़ा situations better हो पाए इसके लिए. So actually for this interaction, I must honestly say मैं आपके app download किया and I checked this everything and not for this interaction, but I honestly want to say कि आपका जो interface था वो काफी user friendly लगा.
दैट्स
So
ग्रेट, दैट्स
because
ग्रेट।
मुझे ज्यादा ढूंढना नहीं पड़ा. Even I was searching for something related to marketing, and I guess so there was a logo over there for marketing, and मुझे वहाँ पे on the spot सारे options मिल गए, and it was very easy for me to choose. That
सो
is a one plus point, I think.
वन थिंग है कि आवर डिजाइन टीम वर्क फॉर मंथ्स जस्ट टू गेट द परफेक्ट यूआई, सो उस पे काफी मेहनत गई है, काफी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, लाइक मेनी नाइट्स वी हैव स्पेंट वेयर द एंटायर टीम हैज जस्ट ब्रेनस्टॉर्म टू गेट थिंग्स राइट। सो डेफिनेटली इट्स वेरी गुड टू गेट सच फीडबैक।
Yeah, exactly. I can मेहनत तो काफी गई है. I can see on your app. वो तो for sure था. So actually my question for you is कि can you explain कि ये concept जो learn more का concept है, ये actual concept क्या है?
So LearnMall as a organization, if you see to it, so basically if I have to go back to history a bit, so if you look at our CEO's profile, उनका previous company जो था, it was into education and training, and he has been a CEO
Okay,
of that
okay.
company for almost 14 long years. Okay,
Oh,
so basically he has worked with campuses in rural as well as in urban areas, both of which. Due to which it gives them a great insight to understand what are the problems an Indian learner faces. Right.
right,
So
right.
Learn More created to take the help of technology and solve these particular problems. One of
Okay.
the things is that there is a very big divide. आप इंडस्ट्री को पकड़िए और आप एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री को पकड़िए, बहुत बड़ा एक डिवाइड है दोनों के बीच। So, for example,
Right,
जो
right.
हमारे education curriculum है right now, it is not actually very industry friendly right now.
Right,
Obviously,
exactly, exactly.
top institutions are doing their work to fix the problem, but there are some gaps which are still there, and
Yeah.
these problems could also only be solved with the help of technology. So that is what we are trying to do with LearnMore.in.
Okay.
And
No,
other
actually
thing,
because
yeah, go ahead.
yes, yes. No, actually, I was talking to my partner regarding this, and हमने भी यही सोचा because most of the apps related to this, so जैसा government का syllabus रहता है, and they try to teach students about it. But आपके app में I found out कि what a company needs, it needs aptitude, it needs different types of personality test. Also regarding to finance, if you want something to grow in financial part, तो आपके ऐप में वो सारा पार्ट दिया है. बेसिकली कंपनी को एक एम्प्लॉय को ट्रेन करना है, सो इट्स गुड. आपके ऐप से आप कोर्सेज सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक सो दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट योर ऐप, आई कैन से.
So that is definitely there. Now companies are always looking to upskill, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
obviously person comes in, so you have to see the growth of him as well in an organization. That is
yes,
definitely
yes.
there. Another part was also that basically if you look at institutions as well, e-learning is supposed to be a very big market in India, and that is
Right,
because
right,
there is a
exactly.
lack of vocational centers in India. Vocational training is still less prevalent.
Yeah,
E-learning उस को push करता है so that you can get access to vocational training at a very low and
yes,
affordable cost with a mass outreach. So
right.
that definitely is in that sector.
No, actually, that's the good part. And following that, my question for you is कि actually the process, what is the actual process for making a course, for
Mhm.
designing a course and publishing it?
So if you look at it, it varies from teacher to teacher, but a course creation should never be tough. That is our prime goal is. It should not
Right,
be a hack. So if you have to create a course, the first thing that you need to decide is what do you want to teach. If you know what you want to
that's the
teach,
fundamental.
it's very easy. For example, there are many teachers who we only take in teachers जो industry में काम करते हैं. Basically, so a real time experience share कर सके, the learner benefits from it, right?
Okay,
So
okay. Yeah, बराबर.
one of the key things is that because you have worked in the industry, आप industry में काम कर चुके हो, you know many things. आप पहले अपना curriculum decide कीजिए. And then
Yeah.
basically curriculum should be decided basis on what type of student are you willing to teach, right?
Okay.
For example, अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट को पढ़ा रहे हो which is a beginner level course which is like very basic, आप शुरू कर रहे हो बस, the student needs to know the very basic, you cannot go directly to the high end corporate section कि directly मैं उसको
Yes.
high level पढ़ा दूँ.
हाई लेवल का पढ़ाऊंगा तो मतलब नहीं रहेगा.
So keeping a student to your mind while deciding the curriculum. The next thing is recording your videos. अब आज क्या हुआ है, because everybody has smartphones with a very high end cameras, it has become very easy to record videos. आप बहुत ही easy way में record कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
Second thing is that we offer video editing services, right? So आप video record कीजिए. Basically आप screen record कर सकते हैं, आप white board लेके पढ़ा सकते हो, आप black board लेके पढ़ा सकते हो. Record the video, आप upload कीजिए on our site. We edit it and the course goes live. So we have tried to make it
that's great.
as possible.
ओके. सो बेसिकली द पर्सन वो रिकॉर्ड कर सकता है अपने तरफ से उसका जो भी नॉलेज है एंड वो आपको सेंड करेगा एंड देन योर टीम एडिट करता है उसे एंड देन यू पुट इट ऑन लाइव, राइट?
We have video editing, but again, due to certain limitations, some, for example, let's say animations या ये सब, we do not go into that type of editing. But अगर आपको video editing चाहिए, let's say, because one of the main problems जो teacher community face करती है, because वो कभी पहले online teaching में नहीं थे, is that editing the videos, getting them into proper shape.
Right.
Is video you have to crop it, is video को you have to merge it with the audio. So we provide that kind of services so that the teaching becomes as easy as possible.
As easy as possible. Great. That's a good one, actually. So, like, obviously, इतना ready करने के लिए you must have gone through many problems. I'm sure about it. So, I wanted to know, even the audience might be curious to know कि what was this one major problem, like ऐसा major problem जो आपने face किया था during making doing this app, and आपने उसे tackle कैसे किया?
So one major problem, which I believe is not just our startup, which would many startups face, is not एक team form करना, which believes in the vision. At the end of the day, company नहीं अकेला CEO चलाता है, नहीं अकेला CTO चलाता है, नहीं कोई CX level चलाता है. The team runs the company.
Right.
Getting a team ready who believes in the vision and who is ready to work day and night was one of the very major challenges which we faced, and thankfully we overcome that challenge. Extensive hiring पे focus, going through thousands of profiles just to find out one particular person who fits the role. That is something we definitely did with very keen interest to get the right team.
Quality over quantity, yeah.
Definitely. To be very honest, and that has proved very right for us. Now, in our team, though I'm not bragging, but we have people who can single-handedly do a work of 5-6 men together because they are so much dedicated. So that is definitely there.
Right. That's a good thing, actually, because there are many of the like startups face such problems and they don't last for long. And that's the main part, how we tackle it.
Definitely.
And so, yeah, exactly. And my question for you was actually, while making this app, obviously you make this for the students and for the people who want to learn. So what all things do you keep in mind while making? One might be user friendly, because obviously as I said, obviously the person coming on the app should be very easy to find out, and that's the one thing I've already cracked. So what are the other things job mind में रखते हो while making?
So we have to take in consideration India का market scenario as well while making an app, right? One thing is that it should be user friendly. Second thing is that it should be very easily accessible. Now India में, if you look at the phones, right? For example, you have apps, you look at the phones. Phones come very high on camera and screen quality and everything, but still there is a very large section of market जो phone में real estate space होता है, right? Memory and everything, which is very low, right? So keeping the phone app size to a minimum to have that installed, because
right.
जगह ले लेते हैं, and you need to find your space in to have it
exactly
there. Definitely there. Secondly, you need to have your app adaptable to rural solutions as well. India 4G है, 5G आने वाला है, everything is fine, but at a particular section you need to make sure that we are a video content based platform. हम video content stream करते हैं. We need to make sure that even on low network the video plays very well, right? So that nobody
right.
these are some of the things which we did keep in mind when delivering the app, so that people get access to the best possible resources.
Right. Because yeah, exactly. Content रहा and people access नहीं कर पाए, so there's no use of that content.
Definitely.
Yeah. So you're very much focused on that minor details.
So one thing is that, see, users, we cannot expect users कि वो हमें समझे. For example, we are delivering the app. We need to put our best foot forward. We cannot expect
Right.
कि user understands कि नहीं हमारे पास ये नहीं था तो हम ये नहीं कर पाए. We need to go for
Right.
the biggest level so that वो convince हो जाए कि नहीं मुझे यही से पढ़ना है.
Exactly. That's the good thing. And actually, I was actually stalking a bit on LinkedIn for this interaction. And वहाँ पर मैंने quote पढ़ा, bio, I think so, your bio was mentioned this quote, I will read it to you, that things change and they will always be changing and I love to be the reason of change. And मुझे काफी, like, I felt it very inspiring. And also I went some of your reviews जहाँ पर लोगों ने बोला कि Mr. Biswas is someone I really loved working with, and वो एक ऐसे person है who is unafraid to take risks and who is free with going with risks and trying out new ideas. So that's the reason I wanted to ask you ki, how did you come up with this idea? Obviously it's a big risk, investing a time and everything you have.
So I wouldn't say that I took the risk majorly on it. I would say that if you have to understand the background, that I was working in an MNC back then when this idea happened.
Yeah.
Okay, and basically it was through some connection where I met our CEO right now, right? And my situation was that I always wanted to solve problems, and thing was that because education system is something I really crave about. मुझे education system की जो situation है, it's not something I very much admire or something, because things need to change. And
Right,
काफी
exactly. Most,
curriculum needs to change at a very rapid pace कि industry के साथ वो pace पकड़े. So that is when I met our CEO, and basically I was on board at that very moment. I guess it was just a 2.5 hour meeting and we were going live. That was just it. I just met him one day for 2.5 hours. That was our first meeting, in fact, and we were good to go. The very next, it was a Friday, I remember, late October 2018, and that is all it. From Sunday we started.
because I saw your startup is very new and इसलिए I very much admired it because एक very early stage पे if I can say that, only 1 year 2 years old, and still आपने इतना अच्छा platform ready कर लिया है, very user friendly, and things that most of the apps doesn't provide, you're providing it already. So that's a good thing, I must say. Yeah.
Again, it's
So
the team ही था which worked for it. It's not a one-man job. It's basically the entire team.
obviously it's not a one man job, exactly, but your vision, I must say, for your vision, a leader has to bind up the team and to keep it going.
Definitely.
That's the. So one interesting question I wanted to ask you is like, how is your app like different from others? What are the extra things you provide that the others fail according to you?
So one of the key things which we are looking at is basically developing an ecosystem. Like there is अभी जो e-learning companies है, right? They are into the segment कि आप आओ course खरीदो at the price ranges कुछ हैं which are at low price, कुछ offer at prices which are simply unaffordable, and basically a course लो, you get a certificate and that's the end of the journey. खत्म, वहीं पे बात करो.
Yeah, all right.
Look at our platform, we are trying to answer questions जो उसके आगे भी होते हैं, and plus trying to solve the financial problems as well. If you look at our courses, our courses start as low as rupees 49 only. So that is something.
Yeah, yes.
So that is
So that's
definitely. And secondly, जो course हमारे platform पे आते हैं, they are thoroughly industry evaluated. They are not like कोई ऐसे भी course डाल. We check for the content
syllabus.
in every course. Right.
Right.
The third thing is that.
Yeah. Yes.
The thing is basically that if you look at our courses, right? So हमने एक नया feature add किया, which is basically the career advice section. So basically, if you take a course, let's say आपने कोई course लिया Python में, right? And India की सबसे बड़ी problem थी misinformation. I have talked to people who are like, हमने तो engineering degree कर ली क्योंकि किसी ने हमें कहा था. We didn't knew what was going to happen afterwards.
Major तो वही चलता है, I must say.
So that is why we added a career advice section as well, where basically you get to understand that what it is going to happen after the course, what type of knowledge you can expect, or what type of job roles can get in the industry, or what type of extra learning you should do to get a job. That is definitely there. Plus, if you look at our certificates, which are supposed to go live in the next coming few days, they are not that flowery design. कि देखने में बस अच्छा है. They are industry friendly. Like if you look at the certificate design, you'll understand what have you studied in the course. Industry gets the certificate that आपने let's say इतने घंटे का course खत्म किया है. But
Right.
क्या पता है उस course में nobody knows. So if you look at our certificate, we basically explain what they people have learned in the course. So we are trying to make it as industry friendly as well to bridge the gap again. That course clear to make it acceptable.
Right. Even though industry को एक better idea रहेगा कि the person knows such much of knowledge, right? Exactly.
Definitely.
And exactly by the courses, मैं recently actually you had an offer going on, I must say, the amazing offer, like you are providing courses at ₹1.
Yes,
If I'm
yes.
not wrong, right? So I wanted to know how was the reaction of the audience, because maybe ऐसा check किया and even I was fascinated कि जहाँ पर लोग thousands and thousands they are just taking for such a course and you are just providing at ₹1. That was really something out of the box.
So is this program's entire gratitude actually goes to our teacher partners जो थे. Basically, we do not provide courses which are created by us. हम course नहीं बनाते. We basically get courses from individual instructors and then share it on our platform as a market, right? So this gratitude would go to our teacher partners. If they agreed, we definitely came up with the idea that if we could do this, and it is basically the teacher partners जिनको एक बार बोलने पे कि this is the plan, what do you think we should do, and they were totally in कि नहीं नहीं जरूर करते हैं, let us go ahead and do it. And they were also gracious enough कि उनके जितने earnings they also donated it to feed the family in Bangalore.
Oh,
So
that's a good thing.
that campaign, just at ₹1, we were able to feed almost 100 plus families. So
Wow.
that campaign
That's a
was
good initiative.
that happened.
Yeah, right. Okay. That's a very good initiative. आपको like I must say आप good audience reaction मिला रहेगा उस पे and that course.
Definitely got the teachers thanked us, to be very honest. Some of the teachers, or almost most of the teachers, I would say, they came back and saying, thank you for doing this, because everybody needs a way to contribute. And if you give them a way, they definitely love that thing.
Exactly. Everybody needs to contribute back to the society. Yeah.
Definitely.
Because actually, and I wanted to know because most of these startups are facing problems due to COVID-19. So I personally wanted to know कि आपका startup how is it dealing with the COVID-19? Because is it something bad for you or is it creating some opportunities for you?
So this situation, right, we can look at it two ways. So one thing is that definitely the world is suffering. The other thing is that because everybody is inside, the one thing that is happening is that it is giving a great push to digitalization of things. That low digital
Majorly. Right.
Like even if you look at the entire educational infrastructure, look digital जा रहे, people are coming online, schools and colleges are moving online, and people are looking for e-learning जो पहले कभी नहीं they had moved towards that. So from the infrastructure side or from the organization side, I would say that this is giving a great push to us to go forward. The second thing is keeping up that infrastructure. For example, due to COVID-19, there are many problems as well which arise. That there's a restriction of movement and income. So obviously, from organization, you have to take care of those things. Because obviously, nobody can come into the office and anything. So that is a different ballgame altogether.
Right. Because as they say, crisis creates opportunities.
That is definitely there. But again, this is not a very good crisis to have.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree with you. So my next question is actually a little bit out of context, but I'll still ask you कि अगर आपके पास एक reset option होता to reset your life, so which career would you choose rather than this, something different?
Which career?
Yeah, career or profession.
I would say I would stick to this one. Because one thing is that I am a little bit product fanatic, product fanatic. I would say I would love building things. And Learn is something that I really love building, and had I given been a reset option, I would again come back and build the same product.
Okay. So you might be sticking to the same thing. That's
Definitely.
good thing because you should love what you do.
That is
That's
definitely
the
there.
major, that's the major thing you can. Yeah. So, and one question for me here, as your CEO, Mr. Siddharth Sethi, he's a very experienced man, I must say. So, how was it working with you? कैसा experience था? He's been a co-founder and CEO of Zest Tech, I think, so before this, and also the CEO of LearnMore. So, कैसा था? Did you get some knowledge, and how was the experience?
So he is the captain of the ship basically. He is the guiding light of our ship, and he is basically guiding us through all the storms and everything. One thing is that because he has such experience and with his deep knowledge of the education system, right, he has been able to guide the ship in a very right direction. Like normally
Exactly.
startups face बहुत सारे problems. They are not able to understand the business. They are not able to understand the things, how to carry on or how to formulate things. या फिर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप कोई नया ऑपरेशन भी स्टार्ट करें, हाउ टू कैरी इट ऑन, राइट? बट
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
with that wealth of an experience and that enriching experience, you know what to do. You do not spend time wasting in contemplating and thinking कि करना क्या है. You have
Right,
a
right.
guiding light. एक साल में आज LearnMall could come to this stage with over 50,000 learners and everything is because of this particular man who is at the helm of the ship. It could
Great
it could not
vision,
have
person.
happened without him. It simply could not have happened without him.
No, because actually he's a very experienced man. I must say, I was checking out and I came to know. इसके लिए मुझे आपको पूछना था because this great vision he has. इसलिए I think for 1 year में इतना obviously with your contribution and the contribution of the team, यहाँ पर इतने quickly इतना बड़ा achievement करना is not a small thing. I must say.
So that is definitely the other thing is that it is, if you look at it, it is his vision and it is the team that he has formed, like the focus on building the team. That was
Right.
the priority that he has imbibed in the entire team from the start, that because he wanted a team which could take on the entire such a big product on. So having clear priorities is basically what he taught all of us, that have clear priorities of what we need to do and what we need to achieve. Today, if you ask any single team member of LearnMall.in that what we are trying to achieve, the vision is into their heads because he has been the one who has been constantly inspiring people on this. That no, the system needs a change and we have to change this. Other than that, if you look at the product itself, it has a research of many years plus an experience of 14 years backing it. That is why product at this level pe
Right,
hai.
right, right.
This is what it
Yes.
brings along.
As I think so, we got a comment named Gino, leader. I must say, not a boss but a leader.
Definitely, definitely. I 200% agree with that.
Yeah. Because you need someone, you need that enlightenment who can enlighten you with the ideas to get good qualities, good ideas out of it. So I would like to ask you, what are the future plans of LearnMall.com? You have already reached such a great achievement. So, आगे, are you thinking of something more big? What are the plans?
So we definitely have plans to go very big. That is something which is definitely there. But again, at this point of time, sharing it would not be appropriate. But yeah,
Oh,
as the skilling, if you look at it, we are
yeah,
trying to establish an entire ecosystem where basically
right, right. As you said.
learner I padhe pocket friendliness with affordability. He gets the course at the lowest price, that to quality course, not just any course. He gets to study it without any hassle, and then at the end of the course, उसके पास एक clear cut outcome हो with that certificate in
Right.
hand. That is what we are trying to do, and we need to strengthen that infrastructure. For example, Avi, we have the product live and everything, but with an education, you could do so much things that the product could actually have. It could, like, one of the strong focus areas of ours has been user design, user experience design. If you could understand the product, जो अपना product देखा है. So there is so much
Right, right.
more that needs to be done or we are doing in order to that. दूसरी चीज है with the recession coming on, right? अभी because of COVID-19
Exactly.
recession,
Recession आने वाला है, right?
दुनिया 130 करोड़ की population है, and education can become a great source of employability. And we need to look in that sector as well because already कुछ तो reports आए काफी million लोगों की नौकरी गई है in the last few months. So we need to look towards that angle as well. That we need to empower people to become employable or employ people through the means of education. Because 130 crore की जनता को
Yes, okay.
educate करने के लिए you need a substantial
Karna.
manpower.
Right, exactly. I'm very much convinced with you. Exactly. And also on your app, I was searching and मुझे ना एक key factor बहुत अच्छा लगा. You also have this small blog named Do You Know to provide extra information. I found it very interesting actually, and I just wanted to tell you about it.
So that way actually when we overhauled our design recently. करीब it is almost a month से कुछ कम time ही हुआ होगा. We basically changed the entire design of the web and the app. So that is again the entire credit goes to the design team. They have come up with these new features which you have. So that is totally them.
Also, this one part because आप में तो obviously as you said कि pocket friendly courses ready करना है, so you have courses. I think there was some flash sale was going on. You were providing courses at just 89 rupees right now. I saw a post that yeah, and also other than that, this amazing idea I felt it was like through time, pocket time. You had courses for 2 hours or 4 hours of people who don't want to invest much of their time. Like I felt it very much promising because बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि 10 घंटे का कोर्स है बस ज्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा व्हाई शुड इट लाइक 2 घंटे में आप नॉलेज ले सकते हो दैट वाज अ गुड पार्ट आई
So we try to serve every category of audience, right? For example, जो लोग industry में काम कर रहे हैं, they want to learn on the move. उनके पास टाइम नहीं है, they are like कोर्स लेता हूँ 2 घंटे का जल्दी से खत्म करता हूँ and I'll move on. So there is a category for them. If you want longer courses, वो भी option है. There are courses which span 60-70 hours as well. That is an option which is
एग्जैक्टली
पॉकेट फ्रेंडली भी एक ऑप्शन है. आपको अगर 200 रुपए पे कोर्स चाहिए वो भी अवेलेबल है. 500 पे चाहिए अंडर दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो इट सर्व्स डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ ऑडियंसेस जो हमारे पास है बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन स्पेसिफिक नीड्स. हमारे
राइट
पास
एग्जैक्टली
कि हमें नहीं यही चाहिए. वी हैव ऑडियंसेस ऑफ डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ डिफरेंट जॉनर्स जो आते हैं. दे डिमांड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नीड्स. इट वाज वेरी
तो हर
नेसेसरी
ऑडियंस के लिए राइट 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 सो लाइक हर ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ ना कुछ एवरीबडी एवरीबडी कैन लाइक बेनिफिट फ्रॉम योर ऐप दैट्स अ गुड थिंग आई नो. And also I saw this bulletin which you have released. ये एकदम latest I think so. From second May I guess if I'm not wrong from second May. Sorry.
This came along with the homepage. जो मैं बात कर रहा था ना homepage overhaul.
हाँ homepage right. Because ये एक अच्छा है कि even if you're learning something आपको free में कुछ और extra knowledge obviously knowledge doesn't go waste. आपको एक extra knowledge about the current situation of the world देखने मिलता है. Obviously the bulletin were most focused on COVID-19. How does it affect the industries and everyone? जहाँ पर आपने बोलते I remember one thing that 70% of the startups are going to go out of budget in the next 3 months according to one research bulletin. So I felt it very big. I like such extra knowledge given by some. This is like something more interactive with people to share a bond. I think so. And that was I just wanted to tell you that was a very good idea.
So it basically comes from the idea that anybody who visits our website or app, right, they should have something that even if you're just scrolling through, just have a look, spend some time, and basically then go ahead and do what we're looking for, search what we're looking for. It's basically just to have something which interests them. कुछ ना कुछ they should be interacting. So that is something which comes from it.
So you always like आप reviews पढ़ते हो and then you go to the customer's review and accordingly you change things.
So that is definitely there. User experience is something that I believe that has been a very strong focus. Like that is what happened. If I have to be very truthful and open about it, that is what happened with our first homepage as well. So we went live with it. Somehow we went back to our users. कि, okay, आपको क्या लग रहा है? How is this homepage working and everything? So there was some sort of confusion in between them. They were trying to understand what was happening and everything. So that is when we realized that no, we need to change the design. We need to change it completely to give the users what they want. So that is when it came up with me. So user feedback is something which is constantly we are getting, and we are trying to modify our product as per what their requirement is.
Exactly. That's the main thing. As we got a comment saying customer is the king. Exactly, customer is the king. Right. So actually, I had a small game for you known as rapid fire. hopefully you can play it. And I must say for the audience, if they want to ask any questions to Behind the Billions or to learn more, they're free to put on the question. So I'll ask you the question for rapid fire.
Okay.
Is it Elon Musk? Is it Elon Musk or Larry Page?
It would be long.
For any specific reasons?
Not in personal preference, because he has been innovating quite a lot, and I love the way that he is innovating. तीन कंपनियां एक साथ संभालना is not a very small deal.
I agree with you exactly. And वो भी इतनी बड़ी like मास पे लेकर जाना है एक को स्पेस बहुत ही वाइड कॉन्सेप्ट है उसके पास. The second question is कि web app or Android app?
So that's if I answer, it will be a very, I would say मैं इस क्वेश्चन को skip करना चाहूँगा because that would
Okay, fine. I also wanted to know कि which is your favorite like language? Is it Java, Python or C Sharp?
Okay. So जो मेरे favorite language है वो आपको options में ही नहीं है, but then between the options I would go for Python.
Python. Okay, so like other than that, आपका language क्या which is not an option?
I love JavaScript.
Java. Okay.
No, JavaScript.
So JavaScript, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, but Python, I guess, so Python is something more easy. I'm not that technical guy, but थोड़ा बहुत I have studied, and I guess so Python is easy. आपको syntax use नहीं करना पड़ता है. Very much.
Python is very clean. That is एक benefit of Python. It is very clean. And if you look at it, Python is a high level language. So that means वो बहुत ही close है English से while you are writing code.
Right.
Okay. And that means आप बहुत ही clean code लिखें. So in that scenario, if you look at it, Python is most users' preference. Plus, it has also given, it is also very powerful while using for data science or AI and other things. So
Right.
That's definitely a very great.
Okay. There's one comment for you. Learn more. Made for India, made for global. Yeah. बहुत बड़ा चल रहा है already.
So it's definitely a made for global product. We are a made in India company with global ambitions, if I have to put it in this way. Right. So we are looking at the company going global. We first time we want to do it that a made in India e-learning product get global recognition. Education में काफी काम है which needs to be done. And to be very honest, before we even got started, as I told you, right, our CEO had done major research work. He had traveled to countries like Finland, Sweden, Australia to do his research. And
Okay.
we had even reached out to ministries to do something, government ministries, because we wanted them to take the step in this scenario. But nothing happened, and then we had to finally start it ourselves. That okay, let's do it.
Okay.
So that is something.
But actually, yeah, that's a great thing actually, because as your quote mentioned, ki, there is always a change, and I'll be glad to be the part of that change.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's one more question for you. I think Learn More is made for everyone who wants to learn.
That is definitely there. We are open to each and everyone. We do not. For example, there are e-learning platforms which only cater to the the rich masses and everything, and other. Let's say there are some which are just cater to a particular genre of audience and everything. We are open to all. We have courses of almost every type. The price starts from low and it also goes high. It's like there is no classification. We have something for each and every one.
And that's I think so that's the key factor about it.
Definitely.
There's one more question. How do you feel about a not made in India company teaching Indian students?
So this question is काफी tricky if you look at it. For example, if you look at Indian landscape, there are most of the companies have come up which are not in India made. For example, e-commerce is dominated by them. One thing they cannot understand is basically the Indian demography, right? आप Australian accent से किसी बंदे को लाओगे to teach somebody who's sitting in, let's say, a tier 2 or a tier 3 cities. Obviously, you cannot expect them to understand what is there fully. For that, Indian teacher who can basically in their own accent and in their own language. So that is some problem we're definitely trying to solve. Secondly, इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम काफी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम अदर एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स, एंड these particular problem can only be understood by somebody who stays in India and resides in India, so that who can bridge that gap. So if you look at our
जो
platform,
उससे था
हमारे पास सिर्फ इंडियन टीचर्स है, we do not have teachers who are out from India, so basically we are only Indian only teachers right now. That is something we are definitely keen to solve.
okay right so next question, what is actual concept of behind the billions? Okay, so I would like to say कि behind the billions it is made by two partners, me and one more partner, Mr. Vicky Kumawat. So हमारा basic idea था कि obviously India has this great minds and people have great ideas, right? Just like you who can come up with such good ideas and good platform. So हमारा idea था कि ऐसे लोग को find out करते हैं and let's get that story and लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं. So the main concept behind was कि finding out what's behind that billionaire's mindset, not by money but by the mindset. Who is the billionaire by mindset? That's all behind the billionaires. Yeah. So the next interesting question for you is Marvel or DC?
मुझे ये ना, इसमें again I would say कि I have individual preferences. As a universe, I like Marvel, but if I have to say one superhero, it has to be Batman.
Oh, okay. I am a Marvel fan, but if you ask me, I'll say Flash.
Okay, that
Yeah.
Flash is a unique character in itself.
Unique characters are one. Okay. And next one more very interesting question or controversy चल रहा है उससे YouTube or TikTok?
Well, in that scenario, I have never been on TikTok, so I can never comment on that. I have always been on YouTube, and I read news. I know about this thing going on, and
Okay.
to be very honest, I do not have an opinion on it.
Okay. So would you try it any time in future if you had a chance to try TikTok?
I simply do not think there will be a time that I will come on TikTok. I have been thinking of uploading a YouTube video for many years. For that only, I could not take out time. So TikTok is a different dimension altogether.
Okay, fine. So the next question is is it you a car guy or a bike guy?
What do I use, car or bike?
No, are you a car guy or bike guy? I mean, what do you love most, cars or bikes?
So to be very honest, I would say it would be a car.
Okay. There is a question for what about the future of Indian education?
So I would say Indian education is going through a transformation phase right now, and COVID-19 ने काफी चीजें change कर दी है. And
Okay. Yeah.
what you're looking at is basically a more of a digital infrastructure coming out of this. And from what I see, schools, universities, the formal education sector has to go into a digitalization mode
Right.
from here onwards. As well as I see a great focus in e-learning. E-learning has to come into the forefront of vocational education. Unemployability को खत्म करने के लिए one of the great weapons that this country has is e-learning.
E-learning, right? Because सब digital हो रहा है.
at a very low cost. So
Right.
Indian education का future has to be digitalization all the way.
Because India is a budget-friendly, like you can say, budget-friendly economy, or budget-friendly people we have.
Definitely.
Why the name Learn Mall?
So one thing that if I have to say why the name Learn Mall, it's very simple if you look at it. So Learn Mall comes from two words, learning and shopping mall, right? So
Oh, yeah.
आप जब shopping mall में जाते हो, it's not always because you want to buy things, right? It just you go there for the vibe of it. अब vibe के लिए जाते हो कि let's go there,
Okay.
hang out, see things, just get around and just get that vibe. Learn more intends to be that similar, gives you that similar experience in terms of learning. Like easily, if you go to our homepage, we have this LM bulletin, we have this other
Right.
thing to give you the vibe of a mall, so that you could just see around, look what you like, and if something likes you, you just go ahead and purchase it.
Even if you don't want to purchase, आपको फिर भी knowledge मिल सकता है by just visiting your page. So there's other question for you. What do you think about Zach Zendercut? I'm pronouncing it right.
Zack Snyder cut. So there is this new
Snyder.
thing from up Justice League. That is what I believe is talking about. Justice League
Okay.
directors take release. Why? I have not watched it yet, so I cannot comment on that. Definitely, once I watch, I will be more knowledgeable to have a opinion about that.
Okay. 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 So my next question to you is: if you given a chance, would you visit North India more or South India?
So I am from Northeast India. Okay, I belong
Okay.
from Shillong. That is where I was brought up. And
Okay.
Bangalore में काफी साल हो गए. In that scenario, if it's just about visiting, yes, I would definitely like to go visit North India sometime because it's been ages I have gone there. That is
Okay.
what it will be.
So any specific place you want to go?
So if you look at it, देखो, expectations काफी सारे हैं. I want to go to there like for example, there is a bunch of my friends who are in Delhi and everything. So definitely I would like to pay them a visit. And in that
Okay.
scenario, to Rajasthan once, if you look at it, because of its infrastructure. That is something I am looking forward to.
Okay. My question is something like gaming question. I hope so you might have played it. Is it PUBG or COD? Have you played
Okay.
any of it?
So PUBG I used to play, but that is again, I would say very much in the past, around 1.5 to 2 years ago, I used to play it. And
Okay.
that is something I definitely liked it. It is a very good, I would say कि आपका time कब कटता है आपको realize ही नहीं होता in PUBG, and you are like on a mission on it to kill everyone else. With COD, I have to be very honest, मैंने काफी साल हो गए, 6-7 साल I have not played computer games. So that is
Okay.
something I do not know what to do.
Okay. And अभी I think so उनका नया कुछ आया है. You can also play it on mobile. हम COD का
That
कुछ नया अपडेट
that
रहेगा.
is the time factor which comes in कि डाउनलोड करके मैं खेलूं.
खेलो. I agree. अब इतना सब संभालना है and obviously to keep your customers happy. Time manage करना is a big thing.
Definitely.
Yeah. So the question for you is chicken biryani or mutton biryani?
So that is definitely on a chicken biryani. I love biryani.
Great. And any specific biryani like Hyderabad ka biryani? Because I think the
So I
biryani
love
matlab Hyderabad.
biryani because it's spicy, and I love spicy.
Okay. That's it. So we'll check out with questions. Rajini Kakkar is telling you are looking handsome. I think so. This is for you.
Should be directed at you, I feel.
And no. let's get some questions. So Kumawat Rao is telling ki I have used Unacademy, but I like LearnMall a lot.
So that is again, that is I would say कि Unacademy is a totally in a different sector than ours. We are both in the education domain. That is definitely there. But if you look at Unacademy, right, they are into more into exam preparations,
Yes.
and which we are not connected to. We do have courses on exam preparation, but we do not. They are totally into exam preparation. They are into focused into exam preparation sector. We have a course on exam preparation, which basically our teachers put the courses live. The people can get prepared for courses, and Unacademy is on a subscription model. So that is again very different. For example, you come to our platform, आप एक course खरीदते हो, right, and you get to watch it. That's it. Unacademy is on a subscription model. कि आप subscription लो and basically you watch whatever is there, what they provide to you.
हाँ जब
In
जब
that
तक खत्म
scenario,
होगा then again after. No, actually because इसलिए मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि I found it very interesting कि सिर्फ syllabus because government ने syllabus दिया है, we have to learn it and exam then if you get passed हो गया. But this is your app is providing something else, knowledge. Education and knowledge बहुत अलग चीज होता है. Your app is providing, I can say, knowledge.
so
Is the
one
main
thing
thing.
I tell you from my experience itself, right? I did a technical degree, okay, and
Mhm.
to be very honest, when I was in my first job, I realized I do not know कि what I learned in my 3 to 4 years of college कुछ काम पे आ नहीं रहा. I Whatever I learned was basically something which did not come in use while in my job. So
Majorly वही है.
I had to restart entirely again. And
Okay.
LearnMall has arrived to solve this particular problem.
Yeah,
So that is
that's
the main
so.
difference.
So how's the regular? I think I got a message for you. How's a regular day at Learn Mall?
So if you look at it, a regular day at Learn Mall is quite interesting. अगर मैं आपको बताऊं. So we have these few activities which are scheduled throughout the week. For
Okay.
example, just to keep it fun, we have days like, for example, today is just Hindi day. So आज कोई इंग्लिश में नहीं बात कर सकता ऑफिस पे.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. काफी interesting.
But we have just English day. आज कोई हिंदी में नहीं बात कर सकता ऑफिस पे. We have this
Okay.
sessions called SSAB. So basically, it's like सबके साथ अच्छी बात, where basically one person is given a particular topic which relates to some interesting topic, could be about education system and anything. And basically, it's like a discussion which happens on the team on a set particular topic. So we have this activity spread out throughout the week, just to keep it interesting. The team goes on, obviously COVID-19 की वजह से नहीं जा पाए, but the team goes on regular team lunches, movies. The team is very close knit in that aspect.
So मतलब companies that are creating a family, I think so.
Definitely, it's a learn more family. That is what we call it.
Genos is asking, do you guys have no work day?
We have work nights as well. It's not only work day. Work day,
Okay.
work night, work midnight, work early morning. That is what we believe in.
Yeah. No, actually, I think so. His question is ki, like, do you have any holidays or like, do you guys have no work day, just like English day and Hindi day?
We are open to holidays. Nobody has that. Like for example, last time we went on a group trip. The entire company went on a trip to Pondicherry as well, together.
Oh,
So these things keep happening at a very timely routine. That is what happens. It's about keeping the entire team happy. Holiday day we go on holidays, we go on team lunches. We have no work days. Sometimes, not very often, considering the team strength and everything, but we do have them.
okay. That's great. So at the end, I'll just ask you one question. So what advice would you give to the youngster who are struggling in this field, who has a good idea and potential?
Yeah, Learnmall के एक साल से ना we understood many things. One of the key things that we understood is that there is one line which repeatedly goes into our company is that अगर कुछ करना चाहते हो तो कर जाओगे, अगर नहीं करना चाहते हो तो बहाना ढूंढ जाओगे. So that is something we strictly believe, that if you want to do something, you will do it. And if you don't want to do something, you will find an excuse later or earlier that you don't want to do it. That is something we strictly believe in. Secondly, the art of failing fast. So one thing is that as a startup, as a small team, we put out our ideas on the canvas. This is something that we want it to look like. This is something we do want it to function like. But कभी कभार the user does not seem to have the same opinion as ours.
Right.
And so in order to gauge कि user को ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा है and to change it very fast. So failing fast या realize करें कि नहीं चल रहा है and we need to change it. So failing fast is something that we need to learn definitely.
Okay, exactly. You need to keep on trying until you reach the success.
These two advices are something that everyone should carry on while building a company. It definitely works best out for them.
That's a great advice actually, even for me, for the people who are watching it.
Definitely.
So just we'll wait for any questions if people have more questions to ask you. This will wind up. So true, yeah, exactly. That was actually a great lines to. Even I can say even I learned something new today.
So that is something which goes in our company. If you want to do something, we have to do it. There are no two ways about it. For example, if you try long enough, you will find a way. That is something.
Exactly. If you
So
keep
that
on
is
trying,
something-
if you keep on trying, nobody is going to like. At the end of the day, nobody is going to stop you. You'll eventually find your way. And
Definitely.
that's it. I think there are no more questions. It was great talking to you actually.
Sure. I also love it.
Yeah. So and also I'll be sure कि आगे भी ऐसा some good interactions we can have.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah. One question you have. Your views on Unacademy. I think so you shared it. Right? Rajni Kakkar is saying, can I have your number, Raj?
So I believe that question came, which is basically your views on Udemy, right? That is, I believe, yeah.
Anak, yeah, Anak, yeah.
That is something that I definitely want to comment. So Udemy is quite a big platform if you look at it, and we do not, we are nowhere in competition with any of these companies. And to be very honest, we do not want to compete with any company itself, because one thing is that अगर आप line में खड़े हो, right? There are already 10 e-learning companies in the market, and many are coming up each day. वो लाइन काफी लंबी है, एंड गोइंग एंड स्टैंडिंग एट द बैक ऑफ द लाइन डज नॉट मीन मच कि आप फिर लाइन तोड़ के आगे आओगे. यू विल बिल्ड अ मोनोपोली, यू विल बिल्ड अ कंपनी who basically scatters to a large amount of audience. We do not see any sense in that. What we want to do is create a niche of our own.
Okay. Yeah.
We do not want to get compared to any learning company. We want to create our own
Own image.
Because there are many things which are in the pipeline. Again, as you asked, the future plan. So there are many things which are there, which we are planning to do to basically get that foothold. But again, those are the future pipelines, and we do not want to get compared to any company, because we want to build our own audience, own base cycle, own student base, and have our own ecosystem of ours. We are not looking to just educate. We are looking to create an ecosystem inside India.
Okay, great. There's one more question for you. According to you, what skill a person starting a business should possess? This is by Manisha.
So in this scenario, I would say starting a business, one should know what they are trying to do. There are many times people do not know what they are trying to do. What problem are they trying to solve? Having clarity of thought is the most important thing. What we are trying to achieve. Business model, if you are starting a business model, आज ही अब कल निकल ही आएगा. If you have that many users, you will find out a revenue source somewhere. But what you are trying to solve, what problem are you trying to address, is the main question that you should look at. Because without a problem statement, starting a business is basically, I would say, it's not worth the hardship that you are going to encounter.
You have to have that vision part.
That you solve. Yes, you need to have a very strong problem statement that you are trying to solve.
Great. Yeah, I think so. That's all with the questions. Let me check it once. Yeah. I'm sorry. So, yeah, we'll end up this. It's already been, I think, more than almost an hour. Yeah. So, good talking to you.
Definitely, I also loved it.
Have a great day. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.